Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, open Settings and tap on Bluetooth over here. Then click on this gray sweater next to Bluetooth feature in order to enable it, and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the chosen one. Then, in order to connect, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, choose this little icon next to the device and click on Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!